on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing a soft tri-fold tonneau cover on my 2020 Ford F-150. It's made by the company OEDRO, so huge shout out to them for sending this product out for me to install and make a review video for you guys. They make a lot of different products like floor mats and obviously truck bed covers. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. Okay guys, so step one is obviously take it out of the box. Now, great thing about this truck bed cover is it actually comes assembled in the box, and it comes obviously with everything you're going to need. You've got your weather stripping right here, which will go up on the front part of the bed of the truck, and it's got a sticky adhesive on the back. You've got more adhesive as well as an LED light, which will stick to the inside of the bed of your truck if you don't have lights in the back of your truck like I do. And then of course, like with everything, you're going to have your printed out instructions, which are actually pretty easy to follow along. Once you've got it out of the box, go ahead and take your weather stripping, get to the front part of the bed of your truck and line it up, and make sure that you cut off any excess pieces, because it may be a little bit too long, but obviously it's better to have too much than too little. After you've cleaned off the surface so it's nice and easy to stick to, take the back part off, that way the sticky side is exposed, and go ahead and line it up, and then put your weather stripping down. And then after you've put it down, I would definitely recommend going down and pressing on it like how I am right here, just to make sure that you've got a nice, good, clean bond to the bed of your truck. With the weather stripping in place, go ahead and remove the actual tonneau cover from the plastic. Take the truck bed cover and walk it up to the front of your truck and make sure that it's even on both sides, meaning that it's not sticking out too far on one side than the other. There will be a little bit of room left over on both sides, so you want to make sure that you have the same amount of room left on both sides of the right side and the left-hand side of your truck. See, as you can see right here, I'm really trying to center it in and make sure that it's leveled up perfectly on both sides. With the truck bed level, we're going to come underneath the tonneau cover right now. These are the clips right here that are going to secure the front hand side of the tonneau cover to your truck. It's pretty simple. It just swivels down just like so. Now this silver part right here is what is going to clip to the underhand side of the bed of the truck. As you can see, it kind of slides in that groove right there. And the black part right here is going to be twisted up, and that is what's going to tighten the silver portion up against the ridge of the truck right here. And here is a finished shot of what it looks like when it's all tightened. You just tighten it, twist it to the right to tighten it, twist it to the left to loosen it. With the front of the cover secured, go ahead and unclip the two straps right here that you would clip in if you wanted it to stay folded over, and unfold the rest of it, and use this as another opportunity to do the eyeball test to make sure that it's level and even on both sides. The back of the cover is secured by using these black handles right here, very similar to the front of the truck bed cover, but they will just, clip into the same groove that you see right here. If you feel that they're not high enough and tight enough, go ahead and twist them to the right, just like I am right now. Same concept, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey to secure the back of it. Once you've done that, go ahead and close the tailgate of your truck to make sure that everything is fitting properly and is level on both sides, just like what we've talked about earlier. If your truck does not come with lights in the bed of the truck like mine does, OEDRO does include this LED light that you see right here in the tonneau cover package. It has an adhesion stick on the back of it, so you're able to stick it to the inside of the bed of your truck, and then you can turn it on and off if you need to with the truck bed cover on. That way you can see your cargo while it's inside if you don't have lights like my truck does. Now that you've gotten everything secured, it's time to admire your work. This truck bed cover looks amazing. Thank you again so much to OEDRO for sending this out to me. I love the way this looks, and to be honest, it's very, very comparable to the rough country one that I've used on another truck of mine in the past. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything, leave it in the comments below, and this product will be linked below as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.